Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a blog on Bluehost WordPress. So basically if you have Bluehost hosting, that's how you create a blog. So first of all, when you sign into your Bluehost and you add a site, I already did that, so I'm not going to show that. You can find another video about this, how to add a site, how to add a domain. After that, I'm just gonna click edit site right there. It's really convenient, and basically it will launch my WordPress. Now, as you can see, I can edit everything here on WordPress without leaving WordPress itself, and I can edit everything from Bluehost. Now, as you can see at the top, my site is now live, but I don't want it to be live because I haven't done anything to it. So I just want to toggle on the coming soon button where it is on settings, and I'm just gonna toggle it on. Now, of course, we need to look at our appearance. So there are themes in the appearance section. So let's go ahead here. You can choose a free version of the theme, or you can also go ahead to your plugins right there and add a new plugin. And here I'm just gonna write down templates. And as you can see, there is starter template, so I'm just gonna install it now. There is a WordPress and templates which you can use. So I'm just gonna activate it and open it up on my plugins. And I'm just gonna click get started. So here are my starter templates. So this is basically where you can build your website with AI help, or you can click on classic starter template. So for today, let's choose the classic starter templates, and that's basically where you can find premium. As you can see, then you will need to pay for them, or you can choose a free version of the website. So I'm just gonna scroll down and see what fits the best and choose that option for my website. Now to edit the pages, I just went to pages, and now I want to edit my home page. So I'm just gonna click edit, and I should be able to edit my page now. Edit every single thing, like a text, style, change the image. So I'm just gonna leave it like so, but basically let's choose this option to look how it looks like. And let's search for free images. Now I have chosen a different image. There's also like a image overlay color. You can, as you can see, change the opacity of it, which is really great. Now there is some colors, text color, and so on and so forth. Advanced settings like sticky, container animations. So for example, we can fade down or flip like so, as you can see. And you can edit every single thing here from this page. So the text, the font, again, go ahead and change the, you can change the photos. And yeah, that's how you edit. Now, if you want to add something, you can actually click right there and your heading will appear, and you can basically just drag it anywhere you want, like at the top. Now to add a menu, you're just gonna click here, add a block, and you're gonna click browse all, and here you will see header patterns. So you're just gonna click on that, and here you will find the menus. So you're gonna choose which one fits the best for you, and then you can delete and so on and so forth. So for example, let's choose this option, and now you can actually change the location of this of your logo. if you want to, and basically edit the pages, add URLs, descriptions, change the typography size, width, and dimensions, and so on and so forth. So that's how you do the menus, and you can find a lot of patterns here, FAQs, call to actions, and so on and so forth. Now you also need an email. So you're gonna go to your Bluehost and log into it. Now you're gonna click on settings on your websites, and you're gonna click advanced, scroll down, and click on cPanel and manage. And here you will find emails right there, and click on email accounts. And here you can actually create a new professional email account. If you already have it, you just basically use it for your store. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.